Hello guys and welcome back to the 5th episode of the Battlegrounds series. So in this episode we are going to do the basic hitting and also like hitbox creation. So yeah, that's basically what we are going to do. So first of all, you want to go into your player, start a player, then start a player script, create a local script and name this inputs or just input. Then we do user input service dot input began connect function inputs and GPE, which is the game processed event. So yeah, then we can define some inputs. So we can go here and in the config and do punch is equal to, and then basically the key. So mouse button, I think it's, let me see. Or no, we don't need this because it's obvious. So if input dot key codes is equal to enum dot user input type, I think it is. User input type dot mouse button one, yes. Also let's do punch. Then in here we basically want to get the player's character. So local selected character, comma character data table is equal to, we need a event, so local character event, or let me name this info event, equal to replica storage, colon child remotes, colon child, and then we are going to create a remote function, and we are going to name this to get character info. Let me copy it and paste it here. Paste it here too. So then we get this is equal to get character info, call invoke server. Yeah. So then we are going to go to server script service on the server, and we are going to get this event, and then we do down here get character info dot on server invoke is equal to function player, like this. So then we just need to get the, so local selected character is equal to this, and then we do local character data table is equal to, and then we just need to get the character module, which we have. So character module dot gets, it's get character info, yeah, dot get character info for the player, and is this everything? The player and the character. Yeah, the character we need. So we just put the selected character, and then we return, or if selected character, comma character data table, then and character data table. Then we want to return selected character and the character data table, and else return nil, and just a table. Okay, so once we got the information of this, we can go back to our input and then do if selected character, comma character data table, and then and then we can print those two. Let's just try this out. Oh, also, we should do if GPE, then return. And if you don't know what GPE is, or game processed event, it's basically when you are in the chat or writing somewhere else outside of, like, when you write inside like a text box or inside the chat, or when you are like reporting someone, that's all a game process event because it's processed by the game already. You don't need to process this again, because you don't want, when you write something in chat, like something that has like the letter E inside or Q, you don't want the ability to actually like play or like do its ability, right? So that's why we do this. Also down here we would then add the abilities, and we would also add the dash right here. Okay, so let's try this out first. So go to the output and click. Okay, we get nothing printed out currently. So let me check this out. Let me just print them here and see what this isn't working. Okay, it's just doing nothing. Let me see this. Let me just print true. Maybe it doesn't even run. No, it doesn't even run. Let me fix this. Oh, I found the error. We have to do if input.user input type. Sorry. That was my bad. But now it should work. And when we print or we click, you see that this gets printed. So we can just delete the excess like things like those two. And now let's see. So we currently have the dual list selected. We click, you see that our dual list got selected, and we got the table of the dual list. Also, let me change this to not show the character info because we don't need this. Now you see it just prints out this. So then we can add a new table to our, or actually we don't need to. We have to write a new module script. So we want to go to replicate storage, modules, create a new module script, and rename this to Hitbox module. In this module, we basically, okay, I'm back. So in this module, we have to create a bit of stuff. So let's first of all name this Hitbox module, just for making it easier to get where we are. So we need to do a few functions. Oops, that wasn't intended by me. So we need to do function Hitbox module dot create Hitbox with the player, the mode, the size. So I think that was pretty much it. Yeah. So we first of all get the character. So local character is equal to player dot character or player dot character edit colon the weight. Then we do if not character or not character dot primary art, then return nil. Then we do the hitbox, so local hitbox. It's equal to instance dot new powers. Then we do hitbox dot anchored is equal to true. Hitbox dot can collide is equal to false. Not function, I said false. Hitbox dot transparency is equal to 0.5. And then we do hitbox dot size is equal to vectory3 dot new size dot x comma size dot y and comma size dot z. So then we do local front position. So this is the position in front of the character, because we don't want the hitbox to be created inside the character, but like a bit offset. Then we do character dot primary part dot c frame times c frame dot new. So yeah, the c frame has. So in the c frame we are going to do 0, 0, minus size dot z times 2 plus 3. This should be okay. And then we do hitbox dot c frame is equal to front position. It's pretty much everything. So then we get the modes. Not modes. So if mode is equal to sphere, then hitbox dot shape is equal to enum dot part type dot ball, and hitbox dot size is equal to vectory3 dot new and then just those 3 again. So then else if mode is equal to block, then do hitbox dot shape is equal to enum dot part type dot block. Then we could copy this, paste it, do cylinder like this. Then we have to do hitbox dot orientation is equal to, let me quickly check this out. So if we have a part, a cylinder to be precise, it's looking like this, but if we set the orientation just 90-90, you can set it to 90, 0, and 0. Okay, so is equal to vectory3 dot new 90, 0, 0, like this. Okay, we can delete this part. So yeah, then I think this was it. Then we do hitbox dot parent is equal to, we can do we can either just do it in the player or just in the workspace. We can just do player dot character, or now we just do it in workspace. And we return the hitbox. Also, let me do works dot color. It's equal to color 3 dot from RGB. Let me give it a nice red. Okay. Then we have the box. So now we can do, we first of all have to get this. So local hitbox module is equal to replicate storage, away for child modules, away for child hitbox module. Make sure you get this inside a require. And then we can do hitbox module dot, do we get it right? Yeah, the create box. Created box, and then we can do, so it's red module, right? Yeah. Created box, and then we can do yeah, so we need the player, the mode, and the size. So we can just do player dot local player. Then we get this to a variable. We can do player block and maybe like 5 by 5. Let me test this out. Yeah, this is the hitbox that we have right now. And we want to destroy it like instantly. And then we do return hitbox. And then we can do local hitbox equal to. Then we can do hitbox.touched on connect function hit like this, and we can do hitbox dot, we can do what's the name of this again? Oh yeah, so then we can do this dot, I think it's add item, then we do the hitbox, and then the lifetime like 0.5 or like 0.1. Print hit. We can try this out with a dummy. Just give me a second. Okay, so now we pretty much have to, well, what's I? Yeah, we can try this out. So we have to just get a dummy setup. We get an R6 block avatar. We do it somewhere near the spawn. Now let me play. Let me open the outputs and see scripts outputs. Okay, this doesn't really work. It doesn't hit though. Let me fix this. Okay, so I just got it. It's because anchored parts don't trigger like touch events. Instead we have to do local weld is equal to instance.new weld constraints. And we want to do this inside the hitbox. We do weld dot part 0 is equal to character dot primary part, and weld dot part 1 is equal to hitbox. And I think now it should work. Yeah, as you can see, it works pretty fine. It's good, and now it should also print the hit. Yeah, it prints hit. As you can see, it prints hit. That's pretty good. We want to add a debounce in there. So we want to do a local debounces equal to a table. Then we do punch is equal to table. We do enabled is equal to false. We just do on, and then we do time is equal to 1, or a debounce time is equal to 1. That's pretty much how we are going to add our debounces. And then we do debounces dot punch dot on is equal to true, and then we do and not and debounces dot punch dot on isn't equal to true. Then we do it true, and then down here we do this to false. Then we do task the wait debounces dot punch dot debounce time, like this. We can try this out. As you can see, we need to wait. Then I forgot something. Let me see. Let me see. Oh, because this is only when it hits. Of course. We do need to put this outside of here. So now we can do this every 1 second. And hit him. But we want to actually get combos. So let's get the debounce time to 0.5 or 0.3. And yeah. Then we want to actually do the animations. So let me quickly give you like how to create the animations. I am absolutely not good at animations, so please don't refer to my animations. Just do them yourself, please. Find it here. Why can't I drag it up? Why can't I drag it up? Well, then we just have to place it up here or something, or like we'll just place it. Place it here. So then we can do, and we can create a new and name this to punch 1. Punch 1. So also we want to go to the script, to the input, and do we just do data. Then we can do just make sure you get this. Like change it. And because now we also can add a thing called on num is equal to 1. And then we can do next num is equal to 3. Animations is equal to a table. Then we do 1 is equal to, then pretty much just 2 and 3. Make sure the last number here is also the same as the max num. So yeah, then we can get to this. I'm gonna make it, this is like 1 second, I think. Let me get it to 1 second. So then let me just rotate the arm. This is going to look horrible, I swear. It's going to look very horrible. But I think it's okay for the purpose. Then let me. This is completely. This is. Now we need to set the arm here to be like this, but out and then like hitting inwards, I think. I think this is better. Yeah, this is better. This is better. Now we want to do the same thing for the other arm. I think it's good. Yeah, for the other arm. So we need to publish this to Roblox. No, you don't see it, but just like save it and then copy the animation ID. So there should be like a window, successfully submitted, and then above there should be ID column, and then you can click on copy right next to it. You want to go into the script and paste it right there. Let's get local anon prefix, which would be rbx asset id colon / like this. Then we want to create a new one. Create new. We do punch 2. So yeah, then let me go back here. Let me get the right arm now. Put it in. Then let me go here. Let me rotate them out a bit. This lag a bit. Actually, this lag a bit back. Like this, then the arm like this. So bad at animations. This is a way to. This is okay for the purposes. I'll be honest. So publish Roblox again. Click save. Copy the ID. Go back to the inputs. Paste it. Go back. Create a new one. Oh, my bad. You don't even like see what I'm doing. Well, now you do. So yeah, that's pretty much just the animation I created here. And then you would just want to click on the 3 points and click on publish to Roblox. Then this window will pop up. We'll just click on save, copy the ID here, click close, just go to the script and paste it. Sorry that you weren't able to see it, but you will for the next animation I will do. So the next will be called punch 3. So this one will be like a kick because it will also have like knockback. This is like for later. So this will also have a maximum of 15. So this should be like the like latest form. It's like a kick. Then like no, not like this. I mean this one. It's going to be like this and then like out. But like this. No, not this axis. This one. And then like this a bit. This is going to look so bad. This is going to look so bad. Okay, here. So we can copy those things. Paste them here. But we have to do the slack to like be like up here. Yeah, let me actually drag those here. Okay, let me just drag both like I think this is okay for the purposes we have. So publish it to Roblox. Set published Roblox. Punch 3. Copy, close, we can get out of here. Go back to this one, paste it here. Then we are good to go. So then we can do local character is equal to player.character or player.character edit column weight big W. Let me get this up here under the player so then we get the character. Yeah, this is good. So then we can do local animator is equal to character or whatever child animator. Yeah, this is good. Then we got the animator. Type here, animator, like this. So then we can do a function. So local function play anim with the anim ID. Then we do local, just the ID. Then we do local anim ID is equal to prefix anim prefix dot ID. Then we do animator, or we just do, yeah, we will just do the like things later, but we will basically get the hitbox. It's the same thing, so we do local, or we can just do data dot punch dot on none plus equal 1. We can paste this down here. Or we can do if data dot punch dot on num plus 1 is higher than data dot punch dot max num, then yeah, this is basically exactly what we want. And then we do play play anim with the data punch.onNum like this. No, actually, data dot punch dot animations. I think it's animations, yeah. Can mix this with this one. Now we set. Then we need to play the ID. Okay, we actually don't need the animator, sorry, so we need the humanoid. Humanoids, also let me get those above all this stuff. Like this. So then play anim. We got the anim. So then we do local animation equal to instance of new animation. Then we do animation dot animation ID is equal to anim ID. Then we do local anim track is equal to humanoid colon load animation with the animation. Then we do anim track colon play. Yeah, this is good. Yeah, so we can just try this out now, I think. Play. Okay, the cooldown is way too high. Way too low, I mean. So we want to actually set it to like 0.5, I think. Is a good thing. I think we actually want to play the animation first. I think this is a good way. So we do this like down here and group this all together. Okay, so let me try this out. Okay, well, this is not like that smooth, I'm being honest. Let me think of how I can improve this further. Okay, I'm being honest, I'm just like check some animations. Maybe like some people in the toolbox have like cool animations. Maybe. Okay, let me see. Avatar animation. Okay, let me see. Okay, well, this is way too long. About this. This is way better. So punch 2 and punch 1. Yeah, let me get those two. So publish Roblox. Let me just get those animations. Can I think just do the same thing. If you'd like, just get some animations or just do them better yourself. I'm just not good at animating, so I'm just using those that are on the toolbox. And then let me get a, yeah, let me delete those two. And then let me get Let me get a kick R6. R6 kick animation. Let me see it. Oh, this is just, it's good, but it doesn't fit in the game. Let me get this. This has a lot of, I think it's more like a dance, I'm being honest. I think it's this, yeah. Yeah, let me just get rid of it. Kick. Let me see, starter pack. Kick, swing, no, this is bad. What is this? Let me get this one. Let me get this one. Saves. Soccer ball kick. Let me see. Let me see what I got. What we got. No, no, no. Let me search for like a R6 heavy punch. Something like this maybe. Migrates. It's just the same animation again. Let me get maybe this one. Heavy punch. Animation. No. I'm gonna just keep my thing. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so let me change this to 0 first of all. So now it's clean. So let me see. I think we should bind this to the humanoid root part, I think. Yeah, we should. So let's go to the hitbox module and do character.humanoid root part, because this doesn't move with animations. So it's just steady, as you can see, which is better. We also don't want to put it that far away. So let's go back. Let's do like +2, maybe. This is a bit closer. We still wanted someone if we stand directly in front of them. So let's just put +0.5 maybe. This is good. Okay. Okay, that's good. So then let me implement a check. So print hit. Local player is equal to game, or just players dot column get player from character hits dot parent. We just do if hits dot parent confines first child of class humanoid, then this is the player, and then we do let me name this hit player, and then if hit player isn't equal to player, then we can do all the stuff. yeah, that's pretty good. You can do hit player and then destroy hitbox. As you can see, we hit the player, so it's not even like spawning in the hitbox, I think. Yeah, that's good. That's good. So let me delete this. Let me change it to oh yeah, because it doesn't have a name. Yeah, it's like now. Um Okay guys, so basically I just tried to script like a knockback, but it didn't work like how I wanted. And the video was going like over an hour. So yeah, just make sure you get this script right like this. I just like cut the part out with the knockback. Make sure you get it like this, and then we're going to do the knockback and stuff in the next episode. Sorry for that, but yeah, now when we play, as you can see, we have the hitbox, but not more, just hitbox. And also hit people. Yeah, we can hit people. I'm just going to print it. Well, it's not going to print it because the dummy does not count as like a player, so that's a problem. But we can do if hits dot parents dot name is equal to dummy, because you can just rename this to dummy. Then, or we can do a folder and name this to dummies and drag it inside, and then do if hit dot parents dot parents is equal to workspace colon virtual dummies. And then you can still do this stuff. So just paste it in. Name this to the dummy. And this should still work. It's not because, oh yeah. Of course, we have to change this up. So you can do dummy in here. Copy and paste. And paste, and now it should work. Yeah, and as you can see, it works. So yeah, that was it for this episode. Sorry for the long episode, but in the next episode we're going to add more cool stuff. Until then, see you in the next video.